Hi everyone, my name is Anatoly. I'm a front-end developer from CubeX. Today I'm going to show you how connect Redux with Next.js server-side pages. So let's just first of all show you the problem that we are having here. Just delete this one. When you're using server-side rendering pages in Next and you want to use Redux, you actually cannot receive the data. As you can see here, the data is empty. And so let me introduce you to Next Redux wrapper motivation text. Setting up Redux for static apps is rather simple. A single Redux store has to be created that is provided to all pages when Next.js static site generation server-side rendering is involved. However, things start to get complicated as another store instance is needed on the server to render Redux connected components. So basically what just happened, we can see in Redux extension iteration, this is action from Next itself, we can see a payload of my profile card and we can see a data, but as you saw, I just removed this gitterate case from Redux, and because of this our state is no longer receiving its data, because again Next need to Redux need to understand how to get data from Next server, because this is server-side page, and our server also don't know what is Redux, what is its data, and how to connect it. Let me just go back to its initial view, and after I reload the page, you can see that the data is here. We can see it in our state, profile card data, and all this stuff. Action called basically what you need to do to add this Next Redux wrapper library to your existing application is, first of all, you need to create a type of app store that is the return type of make store function. Secondly, you need to create a wrapper using create wrapper utility from our Next Redux wrapper library. Then you are going to app.tsx page, where you of course need to use this wrapper and the structure store and props data, providing this store to our provider and page props to our components in Next.js. As you know, this is basically the main logic of Next. You're using pages and you're providing page props to components. Basically, as you can see in my card page, I'm using server-side props, server-side rendering, to receive my get user products cards data with a sunk. This is basically a typical sunk where I'm receiving user ID, calling it in profile service, and return a response. This is how this sunk is managed. So this is a pending state with loading, success, error. This is the full field where I give data to my state, and this is a rejected state. So basically, when we are receiving the page with data due to our library connected to our Next, it also receives all this data from iteration. So as you can see in my card, this page, the library provides info to our server, and server later on gives all this info to us with a page in a iteration state. And when we call it, we are just simply taking this state to our profile card state. Also, as a bonus, I wanted to show you, as you saw, I'm using user ID in cookies. So this is how I managed to do this. Is basically when I am signing in into my application, I am dispatching access token that I'm receiving from my API into change access token dispatch. And basically this reducer, it just takes utility from JS cookie and it sets access token into our website cookies. We'll use this user ID, and it will also provide this user ID to the get user products card sunk, as I showed you later. So this is like how you can use cookies in Next with server-side rendering to manipulate it for this data. And if I will log out, let me copy this thing. If I will log out, reload the page, you can see that this page couldn't be found. So basically, this is the main logic of this page, and this whole page is e-commerce where you can see basic products, filter them, and that's all. If you have any questions, please add them into the comment section. This might be the very simple way to show you how all this stuff is working. Also, you can Google Next Redux wrapper. The Kirill Kunshin is the creator of this library. You can also Google for its package using Next wrapper, and you will see it's there. So again, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and see you soon. Have a nice day.